Fire. A blessing of warmth, of light, and survival. But when fire turns untamed, it becomes a force of destruction, destroying our homes, our places of business, and wildlife in an instant. Meet Flare, an emergency response drone, piloted by the brave men and women who dedicated their lives to protecting ours. With a water capacity of 125 gallons and a flight range of 25 miles, equipped with infrared, thermal, and visible light cameras. Its water tank fills in 2 minutes, and its battery charges in only 6. Deployable from your local fire station, Flare provides eyes in the sky with unmatched versatility, giving firefighters the tools they need to combat the fiercest of fires. No traffic, no trains, no delays. A first responder every time. With their strength, courage, and determination, the technology of Flare will allow them to fight fire smarter, faster, and safer than ever before. On average, every year, 7 million acres are burned to wildfires. But the future of firefighting is here. Together, we can save lives, protect communities, and outpace devastation. You can make a difference for future generations. Today, Flare. Fight fire with the future.